Hello everyone, welcome to my channel for the love of beauty. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I have a DIY project to show you all, and I've gotten all these items from Dollar Tree except for the Gorilla Glue. So y'all stay tuned for the video. I was walking through my room and I saw a box of items. That I forgot that I had. I said, okay, since I'm not doing anything, let me go ahead and do a DIY project. I don't know how it's going to turn out, but let's do this. I'm showing you all this glue that I've gotten from the Home Depot. So the items that I'm showing you all, I did get it from the Dollar Tree. And later on this video, I am going to show you some silver wrap, which I did order from Amazon. I am applying the glue to the glass candle holder. And once I apply the glue to the glass candle holder, I'm going to set it aside for a moment while working on the other candle holder. I needed the glue to kind of dry a little bit because I figured that it would dry quickly, for me to do this DIY project. So, continue watching. Now I am placing the candle holder on top of the base, and if you notice that I am turning the glass, it's just that I want the glue to spread between the glass and the base. And this glue dries really fast. Silver wrap that I have had for years, and I did get it from Amazon. And what I am going to do, I am going to separate the two, and then I am going to add it around the top of the candle holder. I am going to apply glue around the top of the glass candle holder, and then I am going to place the wrap around the glass. So far, this is how the glass candle holders are looking. So with the flowers, I have already separated the flowers off of the stems. Now I'm getting ready to remove the leaves off of the stems so that I can place it on the inside of the glass candle holders. These are the candles that I am going to use. They are pre-lit candles, and I'm also removing the tab, the plastic tab from the off and on button. Y'all, when I turn this candle on, the light is so bright. Look how bright the light is. So this candle holder is in a silver color, and I think it's kind of trimmed a little bit in gray. It has that animal print. Please excuse the background noise. You may hear rain because it's raining hard over this way. So y'all, I am placing leaves over into the glass, trying to decorate it before I add the candles. Then once I add the candles, I am going to place the flowers around the candles. This is the final result of my DIY project, my new candle holders. I'm going to show you what they look like with the lights on and with the candles off, and with the lights off with the candles on. So y'all, thank you so much for watching. And if you're new, welcome. Please consider on subscribing. Thank you all so much for watching. Please come back because you never know what I may have next for you all. Hit the notification bell button so that you will not miss out on any of my videos. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.